Fisherman and Tourist. Once in a village, a tourist met a fisherman on the coast. Fisherman was going home with catch. He did for the day. In the way, tourist stopped him, started talking to him. Tourist, how long it took you to catch such type of fish? Fisherman, not very long. Tourist, then why didn't you stay for more time and catch more? Fisherman, this small catch is sufficient to meet my and my family need. Tourist, what do you do with the rest of your time? Fisherman, I sleep late, play with my children, spend time with my family and friends. Tourist interrupted, I have MBA from IIM and I can help you. You should start fishing for longer hours every day. Then you can sell extra fish in the market, and with that money you can buy bigger boat. Fisherman, after that? Tourist, with bigger boat you can catch more fish, and then with that extra money you can buy even bigger boat, and then second and third boat, and this way you can have entire fleet of ships. You can then sell your fish directly to processing plants, and maybe one day open your own plant. Then you can move to city and handle your new enterprise. Work from there. Fisherman, how long would it take? Tourist, 20, maybe 25 years. Fisherman, afterwards. Tourist, well, my friends, that's what interesting. When your business gets really big, then you can make millions. Fisherman, millions, okay. And after that? Tourist, after that you will be able to retire. Live in a tiny village near the coast, sleep late, play with your children, catch a few fish and spend time with your friends and family. Now, Fisherman responded, with all due respect, sir, but that's exactly what I am doing now. So what's the point of wasting 25 years? Moral, throughout our life, we only struggle and forget to enjoy the real happiness. We are in so much anxiety and worried always for the future that we forget to live today. Being satisfied with what we have is key to happiness. Thank you for watching my video. Guys, if you like my story, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.